On this video today, I'm going to show you a new method that you can use to make $389 per day on Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that you don't need any skills to do this. You don't need to invest any money. Everything is free and you can do it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. In this case, you can join Digistore24. It's available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for Digistore24 and then create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see these are categories of products that you can promote. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see a whole lot of different categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money. You can see a whole lot of them. So any of the categories that you want, you can click on it to find a digital product that you can promote. If you want, you can also promote physical products. In this case, we are going to be promoting a physical product. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, physical products. If you don't want physical products, you can promote services. You can also promote events and seminars. In this case, we are going to be promoting the physical products. So just click right here, physical products. Once you click on it, you can select skincare or supplements. In this case, we are going to be promoting a supplement. So click right here, supplements. Once you click on supplements, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, this is a supplement that you can promote to earn money from wherever you are in the world. You can see the commission rate is $104.28. You can see it right here. If I scroll down, you can see this is another product that you can promote to earn money. The commission rate is $73.26. So anytime you get a sale, that is the amount that you are going to earn. As I scroll down, you can see another product. The commission rate is $91.47. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. There are many supplements that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see as I scroll, a lot of them that you can promote. If you want, you can scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you are going to click on the next page so that you can find other products that you can promote. You can see they have about 76 supplements that you can promote. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here, Still Bite Pro. This product helps people to keep their teeth healthy and strong. So we are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get people who want to keep their teeth white and strong so that they will click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product. So the next step is that you are going to click right here to get your affiliate link. You can see this is my affiliate link. If you are new to the product, you will see something like promote now. Once you see something like that, just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. If you want to get more information about the product, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see sales page. If you click on it, you see the landing page of the product, and it has a lot of information about the product, so you can read more about it before you promote it. If you also want resources to promote the product, you are going to click right here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you find out the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. In this case, I'm going to click on the sales page so that we can get some basic information about the product. Let me just click on it right. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the landing page of the product. You can see they have a video presentation of the product. So this is what your potential visitors are going to see. They are going to see a video like this. Once they see the video, they can click on it and then watch it. If the information in the video is convincing, they are going to proceed to buy the product, and you are going to be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. You can see this is the landing page of the product. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can promote your affiliate link to get people to click on it and then purchase the product for you to earn money. This is your affiliate link, so you have to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, the next step is that you are going to build a landing page so that you can draft people to that landing page for them to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to earn money. The next step is that you are going to search for Google site. So just type it right here. Once you search for Google site, you are going to click on the first link right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to build a simple landing page so that we can promote our affiliate link. So just click right here, blank. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you are going to create a simple landing page so that you can use it to promote our affiliate link. So the first step is that you are going to type the title of your landing page. So just delete the default text, just delete everything. Once you delete it, you are going to type something like dental trick to remove gums from your teeth. Once you type it, just expand it. You can expand it like this. Just expand it like this. Once that is done, you can highlight it and then change the font size. So if you want, you can reduce it. You can reduce it to any font size that you want. You can reduce it. Once you reduce it, you can make it bold. Once that is done, you can reduce it further. Just reduce it to any size that is okay. Once that is done, if you want the font style, you can change it. Just click right here and then choose any font style that you want. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to give a name to your landing page. So you can just type something like dental trick. Just a name like this, dental trick. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to change the background of your text. So click right here, image. Once you click on it, you are going to click on select. Once you click on select, click right here, search. Once you click on search, you are going to search for an image on Google so that you can use it as your background image. In this case, you are looking for white teeth, so just type something like white teeth, something like this. Once you search for it, you can see different images. Just select the one that you want. Once you select it, click right here, select, so that it can replace the background. As you can see, that has been done. The image is not clear. If you want, you can click on it and then select a different image. As you can see, I've changed the image. If you want, you can also change it like this. So now the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link right here. Before you insert your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to come back on the landing page. Once you come back on the landing page, you are going to take a screenshot of this image. Just take a screenshot of it. You can use a snipping tool and then take a screenshot of this image. Take a screenshot of it. Just take a screenshot of this video. Once you take a screenshot of the video, the next step is that you are going to upload the image right here. So you click right here, images. Once you click on images, you are going to click right here, upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to select your image. Click right here, open. As you can see, this is the image, so you are going to expand it. Just drag it and expand it. Just drag and expand it. Just drag and expand it. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is an image of the video. The next step is that you are going to insert your image right here, so that when people click on it to watch the video, they can be directed to the product through your affiliate links. So you are going to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, you are going to copy your affiliate link. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to select the image. Once you select it, you are going to click right here, insert link. Once you click on insert link, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Click on apply. Once you click on apply, your affiliate link has been inserted right here. So anytime people click on this image, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. If you want, you can scroll down and add another call to action. So you are going to click right here, text box. Once you click on text box, you're going to type something like, click here to discover more about how to remove dirt from your teeth, something like this. Once you type a call to action like this, you are going to make it bold. Once you make it bold, you are going to center it. So just come right here, align. Once you click on it, you are going to select the second one. As you can see, it has been centered. Once that is done, you can also increase the font size. So you are going to select the font size that you want. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link right here. So just come back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back, click right here, insert link. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Click on apply. As you can see, your affiliate link has been inserted right here. As you can see, this is now your landing page. So now what you have to do is that you have to publish it. To publish it, you are going to click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you are going to enter a web address right here. So you can just type something like teeth123, something like this. That is not available. So teeth1234, something like this. That is still not available. So just enter any web address that is available. Let's add a. As you can see, that is available. Any web address that is available, just enter it right here. Once that is done, click right here, publish, so that it can be published. As you can see, it has been published. Click right here, view, so that you can see your landing page. As you can see, this is your landing page. Everything is nice. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see everything in your landing page. So now what you have to do is that you have to get traffic to this landing page so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. One of the best traffic sources that you can use for free is TikTok. TikTok is a platform where you can post videos and then drive traffic to your affiliate link. You can see this account right here. The owner is making videos about how to whiten your teeth. You can see many videos that the owner has made about how to whiten your teeth. You can see a lot of different videos. You can see many videos about how to whiten your teeth. You can see a lot of them. Some of the videos have gotten up to 2.5 million views. You can see it right here. And the best part is that the owner has a link right here. You can see not medical advice. The owner has a link right here where the viewers can click on and then purchase a product so that the owner can be making money. So what we are also going to do is that we are going to create a TikTok account so that we can also post free videos. Once we post the videos, we can get people to view them and then click on our landing page so that they can purchase the product for us to make money. There are many examples of people who are using this trick. If you search for high teeth, you can see many people are posting videos about how to keep your teeth white. You can see a lot of them. You can see many of them. This video has got up to 12 million views. You can see a lot of different videos about how to make your teeth white. If you want traffic from TikTok, what you have to do is that you have to upload videos so that you can get people to view them and then click on your link. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be posting videos right here. If you don't have your own videos, what you have to do is that you have to come on Facebook so that you can search for videos about how to keep your teeth white. Once you search for them, you can post those videos on TikTok and then drive traffic to your affiliate link. So just come on Facebook. Once you come on Facebook, you are going to click right here, video. Once you click on video, you're going to search for a video about how to keep your teeth white. So just search for white teeth right here. Search for white teeth. Once you search for it, you can see many videos about how to keep your teeth white. You can see a lot of them. You can see this one has got even 500,000 views. So as a school, you can see many videos about how to keep your teeth white. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to download these videos and re-upload them on TikTok so that we can drive traffic to our affiliate link. For example, we are going to be using this one. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the video. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to download the video. So just click right here, share. Once you click on share, you can copy the link of the video. So click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link of the video, the next step is that you are going to search for this website, fdown.net. fdown.net. This website allows you to download Facebook videos for free. So just search for it. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Paste the link of the video right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, click right here, download. Once you click on download, you're going to see a page like this, so you can choose any of the video qualities that you want. In this case, I'm going to download in high definition quality, so just click right here. As you can see, the video is downloading. You can see it right here. You can see it has been downloaded. The next step is that you are going to come on TikTok. Once you come on TikTok, you have to create an account so that you can upload a video. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to upload it for you to see. Click right here, upload. You are going to select your video, click open. As you can see, your video is uploading right here. You can see it is uploading. The video has been uploaded. The next step is that you are going to give it a caption. So you can go back on Facebook and then copy the title of the video so that you can paste it right here. Just come back on Facebook. This is the title of the video. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. Just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to add some hashtags to it so that your video can go viral. So you are going to click right here, hashtag. Once you click on it, you are going to type something like white teeth. You can see some of them. Just select it. Once that is done, you are going to click on hashtag again. Once you click on it, you are going to type whitening teeth, something like this. Once that is done, you are going to select any of the hashtags that you see. Select it. Once that is done, you are going to click on the hashtag again. Once you click on it, type teeth. As you can see, that has been done. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. We have selected some hashtags. If you want, you can add more. Once you add the hashtag, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see who can watch this video. You are going to select public. Once that is done, you can see duet. If you want people to duet your video, you can allow that. If you don't want people to duet it, you can also disallow it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see all the settings. Just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, post, so that you can post the video on TikTok. As you can see, your videos are being uploaded to TikTok. So the video has been uploaded to TikTok. You can click right here, manage your post, so that you can see the video that you uploaded. Once you click on it, you can see this is the video that you uploaded. So if you want to watch it, you can just click on it and then watch it. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that we are going to insert the link to our landing page at the bio so that when people view this video, they can click on it and then purchase the product that you are promoting. So what you have to do is that you have to put your pointer on your profile. Once that is done, you are going to select view profile. Once you click on view profile, you are going to click right here, edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link at your bio. You can see I have my link right here. You can see copy and paste this link in browser to learn more. So you are going to type your call to action like this. Once you type your call to action, you are going to paste the link to your landing page right here. So just come back on your landing page. Once you come back, click on this icon right here. Once you click on it, click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to search for tiny URL. Once you paste it right here, click on shorten URL. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click right here, copy. Once you copy the link to your landing page, you are going to paste it right here. Just highlight and paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, you are going to click right here, save, so that you can save the changes. As you can see, that has been done. So anytime people watch your videos, they are going to view your profile. Once they view it, they can copy and paste the link so that they can get access to the product. Once they purchase the product, you are going to be making money on Digistore24. So make sure you post a lot of videos on TikTok. What you have to do is that you have to keep on posting a lot of videos so that you can go viral. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.